Hi, are you ready to watch the new video? Let's go!
Fibonacci leaves the psychologist's office and sees a poster. Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. Inspiration is a person or thing that makes you want to do something. Here, perspiration means hard work because hard work makes you sweat. Fibonacci already works extremely hard. Extremely means very, like too much. So, he thinks the logical thing to do, logical means sensible or most likely, is to find a recipe or step-by-step instructions to become a genius. So, he decides to do some research. Something reminds him or helps him remember Albert Einstein and his theory of relativity, which is about really big objects moving through space and how they affect other things, like gravity and light. What he needs, he thinks, is someone to direct him. Direct is to tell someone what to do. If someone could communicate or give information to him, his attitude or the way he feels would change. He needs some inspiration, which reminds him of the poster. Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. Maybe what he needs is to get to work. You think Fibonacci will find a way to become a genius? Next time, we'll talk about what he finds out in his research.
Hi! Did you like it? It's getting good, right? Alright, let's do the word review. Let's go. Inspiration. Inspiration is a person or thing that makes you want to do something. You know, when you see something and you think, I want to do that. Say inspiration. Perspiration. It means hard work because hard work makes you sweat. Whew, this is hard. Say perspiration. Good. Extremely. This is extremely heavy. Extremely means very, like too much. Say extremely. Good. Logical. It means sensible or most likely. It makes sense. The logical choice. Say logical. Recipe. A recipe is step-by-step instructions. You use recipes when you cook. Say recipe. Something reminds you. It means it helps you to remember. Say reminds. Very good. Ooh, the theory of relativity. Very cool. It's about really big objects moving in space and how they affect each other. Like planets and black holes. Say the theory of relativity. You can do it. See? Direct. Direct is to tell someone what to do. Hey, can you go faster? Say direct. Great. Communicate. That's what we're doing now. It's to give information, usually by speaking. Say communicate. Good. Attitude. It's the way that he feels about something. Look at this guy. He looks like he has a good attitude. Say attitude. Our quote. Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. That means hard work. You don't have to say it. Well, will Fibonacci ever be a genius? Come back next week and I will show you some things that he learns to become more like a genius. Okay? I'll see you later. Bye.